What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can solve the problem of turning on hotspot for your second SIM on your iPhone device. This is a problem that a lot of people face. Personally, I also faced this problem at some point and I had to find a solution to it. And that is what I'm going to share with you today. I hope you watch this video to the very end, and also don't forget to like, subscribe and share to support me. Thank you. So for those of you who are facing challenges trying to turn on the hotspot for your second SIM on your iPhone, this is what you are going to do. First of all, you're going to notice that when you go to the notification shade and you try to turn on the hotspot, the option for you to turn it on is grayed out. So you cannot turn it on from here. But to enable this, you have to first of all go to the settings menu and you locate the mobile service. And for the second SIM with which you want to share the hotspot, in my case, I am using Airtel Tigo. So I just tap on it and I tap on mobile network, data network. So when you open data network, the next step is to scroll to the button. You are going to see personal hotspots, and under it you see APN. You are going to realize there's nothing there. So you need to insert an APN. Normally for other networks, you can just use the word internet. And with Airtel Tigo, they have their own special APN, which is web.tigo.com.gh. So you can just copy it from the mobile data side and just paste it here. Okay, so when you paste it, then you go back. So you're going to realize that the option to set up the personal hotspot is going to appear directly under the mobile service. Under it, you can open and turn on your hotspot.